Hello, I bought a BenQ monitor from the Flipkart. So we will check the unboxing now. So the packing, everything is good. So it is a 27-inch display. Let's see what are the accessories they provided. So this monitor having eye care and it will be good for video editing. So display will be 27-inch and it's a 1080 pixel display. So they provided power card, HDMI cable, manual. So this is a monitor, looks good, and we'll have stand for that. We'll fix it and let me check. So it is having anti-glare feature, so you can't get more glare due to light. So they provided two HDMI cable. You can parallelly connect CPU and Android box also. So one output will be there. So let's reconnect the stand. So they provided along with that monitor. The plastic quality of the product is very good. It looks pretty awesome. Let's see how it looks. So no need of any screw to fix this. Just push it will lock. Yeah, it's look fine. Please subscribe for the channel. Thank you.